welcome back to our channel. My name is Polly and this is Chucky, and it is a rainy, gloomy day here in Houston. We just left the gym. We are about to head to Thomas Print Work. We have a couple errands to do, so this video is going to be like a vlog type video, and then we're also going to be doing some orders later. And make sure you like and subscribe to our videos. So we're at Thomas Print Work and we are getting some stuff printed for his clothing brand, and I am getting stuff printed for my spa. So I got this, our price menu, some thank you cards, and then he has his own thank you card, so if you order from his website you'll get one of these, and there's like something special on the inside. He doesn't want to show you guys, so you have to order from his website to see what's inside. It's like a free little gift. And so he printed these out. He's only getting a few done, so that's why he didn't get like a bulk order yet, but he will. He just wanted to see how it looks, and then we come over here and cut them. So they have this big cutting thing, and they have that smaller one right there, but we use this one because you can cut so many at one time. You can also get it done by them, but
is it gonna move?
No, you just go.
You sure it ain't gonna move?
I mean, just hold it down. You can also get it cut and made by them, but we just do it ourselves to save some money. And then you just flip them.
I bet they looking at me like, this dude is such a rookie at this. I hate this.
They're probably like, you should have just went to us.
But we're independent.
Just go. When you hit it, it moves.
You said that it might move, or I'm trying to hold it.
I didn't say it might move. I said don't move. Just go.
So I ain't gotta hold it, right?
No.
Professor Name. By my spa later, so maybe I'll film a little bit of my spa, and then he has to go to his basketball practice, right? AAU basketball team.
He has a 10-year-old and under AAU basketball team. So if you're in Houston and if you're in Houston and you have a 10-year-old or younger boy or girl that wants to play basketball, just hit us up. Hit him up. Alright guys, so I'm back with the voiceover. So right now what I'm doing is removing the garment out of the plastic bag that it came in and getting it ready and prepped for the embroidery machine. This customer brought in their own garments, and she wanted her logo embroidered on each garment. So this is her logo right here on the orange garments that she provided. So we embroidered her logo on each garment, and now we're going to go ahead and cut the stabilizer and make it nice and neat. If you have any questions about this process, you can look at our past video right here and we explained it more, but if you have any questions, you can always let us know. Now we went ahead and moved over to the DTG machines. We got a couple of DTG order So we're pulling up the file right now that we are going to be printing on shirts. If you have any questions about our different services that we offer, you can visit our website, which is 1921printshop.com. We'll post a link in the description below. You can also visit our Instagram page where we post some of our past orders that we've done. Or you can just comment below and we'll answer every question. I just want to take a few seconds just to say thank you for watching our videos. We're still kind of new at this YouTube thing, but we're kind of getting the hang of it. And if you have any questions or if you want us to cover anything, just let us know in the comments below. And yeah, just make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you at the next video.